As women over 40, we very often think that joy has to be very exciting, very noisy. But that's not always the case. Joy can be very quiet. I'm a certified spiritual life coach. And in this video, I'd like to tell you a story to just bring to life how joy can be very quiet. And I hope that listening to it will help you to bring some quiet joy into your life, especially during the holidays. So, I am visiting here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, and I normally do videos either here in the room or I do them in a special area behind the resort here. It's very quiet, very enclosed, no wind, not much noise. And yesterday, a maid came here in the room when I was about to record. So I went down to my special place behind the resort, and there was a gardener there, watering, making a lot of noise. So I went to other areas that I thought might be quiet, and there was just a lot of activity. Yesterday was one of the days in, days out. Lots of families, lots of business was being conducted. It was very noisy, and I could not find a place to record. So I just, instead of getting aggravated, I just stayed calm. Came up to the room here, the maid was still here. And I just decided I was going to stay calm. And I was breathing in this peach color of my t-shirt. Peach is the color of joy. It's not just a color you see with your eyes. It's actually a quantum color that carries the frequency, the energy of joy. So I just kept breathing in this wonderful, joyful energy. And it happened that we ran across a sales rep that we saw yesterday. And we were talking, and I told him about my problem, not being able to find a quiet spot. He said, I'll help you find a spot. So he took me up into a building where he said, this is the first great spot. And he showed a beautiful vista. And then he showed a second spot. And he said, this is another spot you can come. Nobody ever comes up here. And then he showed me a third spot that was just facing, the bay was behind me so that people watching the video could see the bay. And it was just a wonderful experience. So through staying calm, I found a fabulous place to do the video. Unfortunately, it was fine for reels and so on, but it wasn't very high quality. There was too much noise for using it in the phone. My phone here, so I'm not doing it right now in that spot. But just by staying calm, I was able to bring that situation about. So if you're feeling uptight and things just aren't going well with your Christmas shopping or with other preparations for travel or whatever, just breathe in this joyful energy and breathe out any stress that you're feeling. Breathe in this wonderful, joyful energy and breathe out any stress, any tension that you're feeling. And one more time, breathe it in. Let it circulate all throughout your body, this wonderful, joyful frequency, this energy of joy. And let out any tension, any stress, any overwhelm that you're feeling. So if you're feeling less stressed out, more joyful, please like this video. It'll let other women who are feeling stressed out, especially at this time of year, know that it's something that they should watch. If you'd like to go even further with this concept, I have a free Calm in the Moment kit. It has a 3-minute meditation you can use at the start of your day, and you can use that at night to set yourself up for peaceful sleep. It has a 1-minute reset that you can use all throughout the day. When you feel the tension and the overwhelm just overmounting, you can use it to get back into joy. And it has 15 journal prompts that you can use, especially looking at 2025 and what may have happened here and how you want to bring joy into your life in 2026. If you'd like that, just comment calm and I'll send you the link. And if you'd like to take this joyful thing even further, I've created another video on joy and you can access it right here.